Christmas Eve was supposed to be silent. Dr. Ginger was ready to close for the night.
But then he heard it, a cry for help.
He knew the storm was dangerous, but a doctor never ignores a patient. Fighting the freezing wind, he followed the sound. And there they were, trapped and losing hope. He worked fast. Every second mattered. Come on, little ones, let's go home. That night, the clinic became a sanctuary. The best Christmas gift wasn't under the tree. It was the life they saved together. Merry Christmas.